Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Will. I have a craft fair coming up in the next couple of weeks, so I've been busy making little small odds and ends, stuff that'll sell quite easily. So I'll just change the camera here. So what I've been making over the last couple of hours was some bottle openers. So I bought these on Amazon. I think it was I bought it. They come in a pack of four different colors. They weren't very expensive. So as you can see, I turned just a couple of different shapes, different types of wood. So I said I'd record a couple. I have a piece of Laburnum and a piece of Yew here. So I'm going to turn two out of these pieces. So I'll just move these to one side. So now I'll start off with a little piece of Yew. I already rounded them up. I rounded up 15 or 20 of them maybe. So we'll get them into the chuck. I'm using the little Rutland's chuck today with the shark type jaws. So now the first job I want to do is through up the end of it and drill the hole. So just move the tailstock back for a minute. Spindle gouge. So I've just brought up the tailstock, just marked my centre for the drill bit. So these little guys here, they're threaded. I measured one. They're 9 millimeters. So I'm going to drill an 8.5 mil hole. So I've already marked my drill bit. Bring back up my tailstock. So the overall length of the handle I want is about 5.25 inches, so which is there. So now we'll turn a handle. So a quick little project today. So I'm bringing the speed up to 2000 RPM. We got my parting tool just to define my cut-off point. I'll be using a 3/4 inch continental spindle gouge. Now, before I go any further, I just have my caliper, so I'll be taking the end of the handle down. Oh, sorry, to there. So I have it set for that. So I need to go another small little bit. That's good enough. Take this down a little. I just want to put a little bead on the end. Oh, I'm happy with that. I think that's okay. So I'll give this a quick sand. Now that's the sanding done, so I get a bit of sanding sealer on next. Get one more coat. It dries very quick. So just a little Scotch Brite pad now just to denib it. So now I'm going to get it parted off here. So I'm just going to 1/4 inch spindle gouge. Speed up a little bit. I'll just switch over to the parting tool. There we go. So now we're left with this little nubbin on the end. So we'll take care of that now. So this was a little block of waste from the first one I done. So I just turned a little tenon on it. So now I can sand this little guy off. Sometimes the power drill is the quickest way. Bit of sanding sealer, still have some on the paper towel. So there we go. One handle. So I'll leave him to one side and I'll do another one. So next up I have a little piece of laburnum. Keep that guy there. So now the first job now for me to do is throw up the end of this. Bring up the tailstock again, just mark the center point. So again, bring the speed up to about 700. You can see I have it marked how far in I need to drill. Back up the tailstock, little pinch, it's good to go. I can see here I was having a little play with my laser engraver. Now again, just mark the length I want. I keep them all around 5 1/4 inches, which is loads. Somewhere around there. So now I'll start shaping again. The 3/4 inch continental spindle gauge. As I said, this is a little piece of laburnum. So now that's just the end of it down to the size I want. So I'm happy enough with that shape. So I'm going to put a few burn lines in it. So I'm just going to grab my little spear point scraper. I should put one down here. I'll put two in the top. Now I'll just turn the speed down. It's only about 1000 RPM there now. So I just have a wire burner, so just nice little pressure on it just to let it heat up. So now I can get this guy sanded. Now that's the sanding done. Get some sanding sealer on. There's all that beautiful colour in the laburnum. Just denib it. And now we'll get him parted off. So there we have it. So again, I'm just going to sand off this little piece off the end. A little bit of 400. Sanding sealer. That's a little bit of laburnum. So now we'll just get him polished up a little bit. So I'll just get rid of this chuck. I'll keep this little guy because I've a few more to do. I won't make you suffer anymore though. So now we'll give these a little bit of a buffing. So again, I'm just using the little jam chuck I made earlier just to something to hold. And I'm doing the other end. Even with just the brown compound, and the sanding sealer is shined up really, really well. So now a little bit of yew. So now I'm going to skip the white wheel, or the middle wheel, and just move on to, oh yeah, that's, I forget what number that one is. So that's A, that's the brown one, the first one. That's B, the second one. I'm skipping the middle one, I don't need it. So now, get a bit of Carnauba wax. Just a little bit of yew, shined up like glass. Now for the Laburnum. That really did shine up good. So now, there are two little handles. So we shall get the bottle opener section in. Just get rid of this mop. We'll put a gold one in. The 8.5mm hole is just perfect. So that's just nice and tight in that now. So one nice beer bottle opener. This is the PCU. So as I said, there's 4 different colours. There's chrome, darker chrome. This is like a brushed coppery gold colour. I don't know what you call it. That one is definitely gold. That's the one I'm going to use anyway. I think for a pack of 4 of them, I think it was only €6 or €7. They weren't very expensive. I'll just grab a few that I made earlier. So there's a few I made earlier. So that's Laburnum. So that's the little one from Yew. But that's one I made earlier. The striking difference in the colours. Wasn't as much heartwood in this one. But still, I think it's nice. As I said, I just done two different designs. You could do any design you want. So I found this in my log store. I haven't got a clue what wood it is. It was a shrub that was growing in the garden, and it had gone pretty big, and I remember pruning it, and I kept the little branches. So I don't know what it is, but it made lovely handles, whatever it was. And so there's 2 from oak, and that's ash, and that one there is a little bit sycamore. So anyway, I've another dozen or so to make. So anyway guys, if you like this one, you might give me a like and a subscribe and a share and all the usual YouTube stuff, and helps my channel grow a little bit. And leave me a comment as well and let me know what you think. But as I said, it was a quick little project today. As I said, there's not very technical, but as I said, a nice little item at the end, and I'm hoping they go down well at the craft fair. So anyway guys, take care, and I shall catch you all on the next one. So bye for now.